Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the Windows installer service could not be accessed in Windows when trying to install a particular or certain program or an application here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up any of the browser that is present in your Windows. So you can use either a Microsoft Edge, a Google Chrome, a Mozilla Firefox, or whatever browser that is convenient to you or that is available in your Windows. Okay, just have to open that browser and then wait until you are being able to be redirected to that particular browser. Okay, so here you need to paste a link which I'll be including at the description box below. So no worries for that. Okay, just have to copy it and paste it here at the Windows search bar. And then the moment you have pasted it, just have to click on enter to proceed. The moment you've click on it, it asks you to continue. Just have to go with go to site. Okay. So here, just have to click on continue to destination. Okay. And there you go. You would be redirected to this zip file. Okay. Just have to click this download. Okay, and just have to wait until the download will be done. Okay, once this being done, just have to check it here. Okay, it says here done. Okay, just have to wait until an arrow icon will appear here. Okay, so let's just wait until an arrow icon will appear. Okay, like this actually. Okay, so now it's here. Just have to click this arrow icon and wait until you are being redirected to the zip file. Okay. Okay, so now it's here. Just have to double tap that. Okay, and go and run. So wait until I ask you to say yes. Just go with yes, please. Okay, and then yes, and click on OK. So once you're done, you need to close this window and then close this browser as well. And then you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, okay, let's just wait first. Once you have restarted it, you just have to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, try to install again that specific program or application that you'd like to install in your Windows. Okay, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.